Ever since e-scooters have become a huge thing, tons of manufacturers have been bringing their ideas to the table of what they believe to be a sustainable and reasonably priced e-product. This is the BOGIST C1 Pro electric scooter. With a max speed of 45 to 50 km per hour and a 45 km range, this is not only one of the fastest scooters on the market, it's got an extremely satisfying mileage. So out of the box you get the scooter itself, a charger, user manual, a phone holder, spanners and tools for setup and maintenance, and a metal bell. This scooter isn't the lightest, and I'll say that straight off the bat. It has a bit of heft to it. At a weight of little over 23 kilograms, it's certainly one of the heaviest scooters on the market. Out of the box there may be some setup required, like tightening the handlebars. It's very easy to get this up and running. Its foldable design will make it very appealing to most people. Stick the scooter in unlock mode and push down on the lever. This took me some while to get used to it, but once you do, it's very easy to unfold it. Then your handlebars will be released and you should be able to click it into place. This scooter has a very premium design, making it great for an array of terrains. On the front we have these large-sized shock-absorbing suspensions. It makes for a much nicer experience than some of the other scooters I've used before. They can actually begin to hurt your hands after a while due to the lack of suspension overall. The 10-inch tyres are solid and seem to be able to tackle anything you put them through. Although still consisting of air and most likely very vulnerable to punctures, they seem to offer a pleasant ride overall. In terms of the braking, it features a rear disc braking system. E-braking systems are somewhat of a concern for some people because if they fail, well, it can be a drastic consequence. If those do fail though, you can rely on the front drum brakes that work with traditional braking systems. The detachable seat design allows you to experience a comfortable ride either standing or sitting down. The process of setting this up takes less than a minute, and if you want to, you can completely remove the seat altogether if you want to have a better experience when standing, but it isn't necessary. You could just fold it down and use it like that, so this is very versatile in terms of how you can actually use it. There is adjustability in the height of both the front handlebars and the seat itself, so it won't take long to get a perfect height for an array of different people's heights. I personally prefer to use it without the seat, but then again if you take a look at the built-in suspension of the seat itself, well, it's pretty nice. You don't really feel bumps no matter the terrain you're actually on. Everything is operated through the front LCD panel, but I will say when you're in sunlight this can be very hard to see. The screen is very faint and it's hard to make out what it's actually saying. You may have to use your hand to cover the screen so you can actually see what's on it. But where it lacks that, it makes up with ease of usability. The controls are very simple. Pressing it multiple times like 2 will activate the luminous LED front lights and rear lights as well. These are okay, they're not that bright, they're certainly good enough for nighttime riding and increased visibility. The panel also operates the modes wherein which you can take advantage of eco mode, saving on battery life and the overall mileage. So if you are looking to get a huge mileage out of this, you'll want to keep it in eco mode, but you still get a decent speed on it. Soon as you bump this up to the highest one, you actually get some serious speed. You can achieve 45 km per hour, almost 30 miles per hour overall over here in the UK. Like I said, that is insane for an electric scooter. Now I will say it is worth noting that here in the UK and a lot of other places around the world, it is illegal to ride these on the roads or pavements, so do take that into consideration before you purchase it. Despite that, no matter the terrain or weather, the suspension and IP64 waterproof level will ensure it will survive the usage, so you could indeed drive this through puddles and in the rain without any concern. The lithium-ion batteries in here are very impressive, and the overall mileage you get when in eco mode is beyond satisfying, and it is certainly a huge selling point over its competitors. I've used a few e-scooters before and none of them offered this level of suspension and premium design. The ride is very smooth, and with both the seat on and off, you have that versatility on how you can use this. The speed is insane, and to be honest, if it is a selling point for you, whether it be the speed, the comfort, the premiumness of it, or actually the overall mileage, I really can't give you pointers, because to be honest, it is so versatile and it's very appealing to a range of people. Whether you're on the market for a sustainable commuting scooter, or you just want something to get you around, this is a viable option, and with a very appealing price tag. Check out this product in a link in the description, let me know what you think, Till next time.